I've known Dr. Shirazi for a couple of years now. We've shared a lot of patients back and forth. And what is so amazing about him is that he's able to work with people with their TMJ problems in a way that I haven't seen with other dentists or other practitioners. My work is with cranial balancing, and so I see a lot of people with problems with TMJ problems and problems with their head and jaw and neck, and these are the kinds of things Dr. Shirazi can definitely offer an advantage with, because he has an analysis technique that I've never seen before. It's very technically competent, very advanced methods that he uses that are very precise and scientific, and this helps analyze a patient's situation in a way that is just hard to find. So it's very exciting when we have a patient in common, because we get to work together on these problems, and we find that the results he gets are amazing, because he analyzes the problem and diagnoses it better than other people are able to. He has the equipment and he has the background. So he uses an approach that I think is very valuable to those people who are looking for non-surgical type of approaches and looking for a way to balance their body and heal without having to go through some sort of complicated and surgical approach. And then in that way, he becomes an asset to all of us, because we can get the kinds of results that we're looking for, or all of us are feeling better. And I've seen this happen with his patients, the ones that we've shared. They get tremendous results. The work that I do becomes easier because he's been able to help them. And we see that the patients get responses that oftentimes they've been to 3 or 4 other dentists and 3 or 4 other kinds of doctors looking for a way to get the kind of relief they're looking for, and you just don't find it anywhere else. This is the kind of thing that Dr. Shirazi is able to do. I haven't seen other people able to do it. Dr. Shirazi's methods are sometimes called unconventional. It's just because they're not common. They're unconventional in a way that is not harmful. You know, sometimes people hear that word unconventional and they're a little scared by it. And we're talking about methods that are very gentle and not irreversible. So he doesn't necessarily go in and change a person in some way that's going to be painful or in some way harmful. So what I like about Dr. Shirazi's methods is that they are very understandable and very much the kind of thing that will bring a person into health in a natural way, and taking into account their whole life, their whole body system. And so the word unconventional isn't something one should shy away from in this case.